time since he had Easter lamb.
It's a sheep lamb.
It's inside his tummy.
Now it has like sheep.
Honey, he ate your sheep. He likes to eat sheep.
Now you have like sheep.
He ate it. He ate the tummy. The sheep. It's in his tummy. It's all gone.
Yeah, like sheep.
What? What did you say?
Sheep.
What? He said he's sorry, but he was awfully hungry, and it was tasty. Oh, you know what he said? He said he's very sorry, and if I squeeze his tummy 4 times, he might be able to burp it back out. Okay? You want to help me squeeze his tummy 4 times? Wait a minute. Wait. Are you about ready to help? Okay. Ready? 1. Squeeze again. 2. 3. 1 more. 4. Did he barf it up?
Yeah.
Oh! That's great. Thank you. Thank you, Cinders. You better tell Cinders thank you, because he barfed it up for you. Oh. Oh. You're welcome, baby. He said you're welcome. You know that one. I love it.